Today, we're going on a delicious journey to explore the top 4 most consumed meats in the world. Let's dive into how these meats became global favorites and what makes them so special. Starting at number 4, we have lamb and mutton. With around 15 million metric tons consumed each year. This rich and flavorful meat is loved across the Middle East, Europe, and South Asia. Whether it's a tender roast or grilled kebabs, lamb plays a key role in many traditional dishes. Definitely a meat to savor. Coming in at number 3 is beef, with about 70 million metric tons. Consumed globally every year. Beef has an undeniable presence in kitchens around the world, especially in the US, Brazil, and Argentina. It's a key part of everything from juicy burgers and steaks to hearty stews. But beef isn't just loved for its taste. It's also a cultural icon in many regions, from the famous American BBQ to Argentina's asado tradition. Beef continues to be a favorite, providing a rich, savory experience that few meats can match. At number 2, we've got a chicken, with an astonishing 99 million metric tons consumed globally. From fried chicken to grilled wings and chicken sandwiches, chicken is arguably the most versatile meat. It's lean, protein-packed, and affordable, making it a staple across continents, from the United States to China. Chicken's popularity is unmatched, with its mild flavor making it the perfect base for any recipe. Whether you're looking for comfort food or a quick dinner option, chicken has your back. And finally, at number 1, we have pork. With a massive 118 million metric tons. Consumed annually, pork reigns as the most consumed meat in the world. It's especially dominant in East Asia, with China leading the charge. Pork is incredibly versatile. Think crispy bacon, juicy ham, savory sausages, and those amazing pork dumplings. It's a meat with deep cultural significance in many countries, not just in terms of flavor, but also in its long-standing role in traditional dishes and celebrations. The love for pork seems to have no bounds, and it's no wonder why it tops this list. So there you have it, your top 4 most consumed meats around the world. From the tenderness of lamb to the versatility of chicken and the savory satisfaction of beef and pork, these meats are part of cultures and cuisines everywhere. What's your favorite meat? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more amazing food facts and insights from Knowledge Hub.